According to UN, in India alone, every day, more than 7,000 females, after they have come to know they are aborted, abortion takes place, before they are born, killed. Or after they are born, they are killed. According to a government hospital report in Tamil Nadu, out of 10 female born alive, 4 are put to death. How many 4? So in India, every day, 10 years ago, previously a BBC report in 90s had said 1 million a year. If you multiply 7, it was 3,000 a day. If you multiply 3,000 by 365 comes to more than 1 million a year. If you multiply 7,000 a day, multiply by 365 comes to more than 2.5 million. So in 2015, 10 years ago, more than 2.5 million females are being killed every year before they are born or immediately after they are born. 2.5 million a year. More the science is advancing, we have more females being killed. And even in China, same thing. These two countries, India has 17.75% of the world population. Today India is 1.42 billion out of 80 billion, comes to 17.75. China is little less, 17.5%. Both put together, more than 35%. More than 35% of the world population is India and China. And both these countries, there are female feticide, female infanticide. If you stop this evil practice, in a few decades, now, India and China are one of the few countries in the world where the female population is less. That's the reason there is an imbalance. If this evil practice stops, even in these two countries and all other countries, the female population will become more than the male population. Because scientifically and medically, a female sex is a stronger sex medically. They can survive better, they die less in wars, less in diseases, and they have a larger lifespan. On an average, the world average that a man lives is 70.7 years, world average. Man, woman put together, 73.3%. Only women, 76 years, sorry, 70.3 years, 73.3 years. That means 73 years and 4 months. The average of human beings that live in the world is 73 years and 4 months. But the average man that lives in the full world is 70.7 years and a woman is 76 years. That means a woman lives 5.3 years more than a man, average. And every country differs. The best average is of Hong Kong. It's according to Worldometer. You Google, you get the reply. All what I say you can verify. Just ask Sheikh Google or ask AI, artificial intelligence, ChatGPT. Ask them the question. That's depending upon the society, depending upon the climate, depending upon the culture, depending on what you eat, the average keeps on changing. The best average in the world is Hong Kong, 85.6 years. 85.6 years average, man, woman put together. And the least is Nigeria, 54.6 years. That means a person in Hong Kong, on an average, man or woman, lives 31 years more than a man in Nigeria. Average. But generally, a woman lives 5.3 years more than a man. So today, if you check the statistics of the CIA World Fact Book, again in 2016, in 2015, it says that New York alone has 500,000 female more than male. USA alone has 4.8 million females more than male. In Germany alone, 1.2 million females are more than male. In Bangladesh alone, 4.2 million females are more than males. In Russia alone, 10 million females are more than male. In European Union, 28 countries put together, 10.2 million females are more than male. And God knows, Allah knows how many females are more than male throughout the world. It is only because of India and China That now if you see overall average is same. Overall average of man and woman is the same. Why? Because there's evil happening in India and China. Every year 2.5 million females are put to death before they are born, after they are born immediately. 2.5 million a year. China also would be similar. That is the reason. Now if you check what is the average of man and woman, approximately equal. Because if this evil practice stops, again women will be more in India and China. So I am asking you the question. In a society where women are not being killed, like India or China,